Now let's talk about the iPhone and how you can scan a document and convert it to different styles or different type of writing. So let's get into it. So naturally, the iPhone has the built-in ability to scan a document, right? You can go to the Files app, tap on the three dots option, and you can literally just tap on a scan like this, and the document will be captured automatically with all of the text and writing, which you can then use or like copy it or save it as a PDF file. So it's very powerful if you just need basic document scanning. Keep in mind, however, that some people might need a bit more, and perhaps some people want to convert handwritten text to regular text, right? And if you need that, you can use some different features. For example, there are some apps on the App Store which can scan your handwritten text and turn it into an actual typed text. There are more apps like that available, but you can, if you have a picture of that handwritten text, you can basically try to use the Photos app if you have the ability to copy that right away. If it gets recognized properly, that would work too. But you can also go ahead and just type that into the Google search, like handwritten text recognition. And there are plenty of websites where you can upload your images with the handwritten text and you might get it recognized and converted to an actual typed text. So depends on what exactly and specifically you need, but these are the most common ways and options you have. So let me know in the comments below if you have achieved what you needed, but subscribe most definitely for the next tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.